guys, so if you have a GS300, you probably know what this is. This is a door lock actuator. I've replaced and rebuilt all of them in my car. Pretty tired of it, you know, cracking them open and putting motors in them. I think I have one motor left in my unorganized toolbox. Oh, yeah, no, I got two. So these are the motors for the door lock actuators. You can get them online. You see the part number. Yeah, you can get them online for like $2. And then essentially you would undo these screws and crack the seal and the glue on this. Using a heated up knife is the easiest way to do it. So I got really tired of doing that because this one just won't work. This is the right rear door. So I got tired of that, and then I was looking online and found these max speed rods. They have a box you can get of all four for, I believe, under $50. If you use this product code, you can probably find them. I don't fucking know. But yeah, so got a box of all four. I mean, driver door, passenger door, and then right here, rear passenger door. We're gonna put this little hoe on. As you see, it's clean, but it's identical looking to what I have. So we're gonna put it on, see if it works. And I know my channel's been all over the place lately because I've been building and getting rid of shit. Got the camera. What's up, lawnmower? So the Lexus and my old truck over there. That's a Tahoe frame that we're chopping up and bagging, and we have that's a 66 GMC step side, 3 on the tree, so it does have a clutch pedal, but pretty much this 5.3 and transmission and frame is gonna go underneath that truck, and then that's gonna be like Zach and his dad's beach cruiser. I'm kind of helping out and filming a little bit of it, and we have a gantry back there now. You probably can't see it. I fucking suck with this thing. Yeah, but we use that to pick the Tahoe off this, and now it's just sitting on bump stops because we're bagging it. But yeah, and then I did the heads and valve train and cam in that truck, and I'm getting a new torque converter for it because it's stock converter. I have a yank, but it ain't a big enough stall, so I'm selling that at $500 if anybody wants it. This is the valve train and stuff from the L33, so 799 heads. Those are getting ported, decked. All the valve trains coming out. It's getting probably stainless steel valve train, like LS3 valves or whatever. Gonna go in the old truck. I mean, that thing's fucking, I don't know, it's sick. I like old shit. I really want a 70 Camaro, so that's Zach's whole thing. I made a big mess, but here's all the stuff for the Gs300. I haven't posted the video of me putting this shit together, but I have it still. The welds came out better than I expected on my spindles. I mean, I really got them good. I need the spacers for these so I can run my big brakes, because you see how close the brake mount is to the tie rod. Big brakes won't fit. Oil pump, we're gonna do the oil pump mod to that for this truck. Still haven't done the video on the welding helmet. That's fucking dope. I love this thing. It is literally, it'll make you a better welder. Let's put it that way. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this motor on here and put it in the car. I'm sure you've seen a million videos on how to do it, but cheap, literally comes with all four of them, $50. Hopefully it helps you out. And then, you know, every box has a part number on it. Figure it out. So now it locks, or unlocks, and locks. Everything works now. And it should auto lock here in 30 seconds, but I want to go inside. Yeah. Old truck over here, she's running. Big cam, chop chop. And I just put the car cover on the S14. Boy.